Okay, so that's how we get started with Jesus Just Left Chicago by ZZ Top. Now this A string we have to tune to a G, so it ends up matching your other G and making a nice chord here from the A string down to the B string, those four middle strings there. So we're gonna bend that 3 on the 5th string just slightly. And we're gonna go into that 4-note chord, the open, 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 5th string down to 2nd. So we go. And then we put the 2 on the D string and open and 1 like from a C chord. Put that in there with that G bass. So we go. And at the beginning of the song, you got this that goes with that. So that's a slight bend on that 3 of the G string to that 5th fret of the D string, and it does it twice. And then the 3rd time, you just have that lower note, and we're into a verse. You end up going 4 times between these 2 chords. And then we get into the next chord. We're going to have the same thing. 5th fret, we have the 5s going all the way down, 5th string to 2nd. We're going to bring in this 7 on the D string and 6 on the B string. So it's... Do that twice and then you're back. We're going to do an extra one here. And then we got this change. We got the 2s. 4's the 5s. And then you can do like you got the 5s, 5th and 4th strings. 3's the opens. And then hit those middle 2 strings open there. So it ends up being... We got. We're gonna do a little bend on that 5th string, 3rd fret to the open G, and then we have that A string, which is a G now. So we got that, and then we start this cool riff. Okay, so that's 3 on the D and 3 on the bottom E string down there. So we have the big one, little one, big one, and then we switch to the 2 down here. 2, 3, 2. 1, 3, 1. Okay, and sometimes that 1 will cut short and not get to hit a 3 underneath it because you got to get to the little 3 open thing. That's when the lead kind of comes in. So let's go back to the top and we'll count that out. 3 and 4 and. So you see where that one comes in on that 4 and 3 and 4 and. Have that little bass pick up there before it. Ba, ba. Switch. Ba, da. One more. Change. Okay, and the first time we just go. Into the next verse. So everything's the same on the next verse and change. It's just that the riff here is going to go twice through this time. And you can also start with a high note here. Now this one, when we get to that 1, we got to go 3, 0. So we can jump all the way up here and hit this 11 and 8. We got 8 on the 1st string, 11 on the 2nd. Get some vibrato on that chord there. So it ends up being 2nd time. So I hit that 1, do that little bend to that, and we go 8 and 11, and then we're gonna go. Okay, so it was a 5 on the D, 3 on the G, bend that 5, 3, 3 on the D, 3 open again, and then hit it like 3 times that time, and then we got a pick scratch, and then we have a 5 on the D, bend the 5 on the G twice to that 3 right there. So this was 5 to 3 to 6. So we bend that one, and then we hit it regular, and then we bend it again. So it's. This is like a Hendrix trick where you go up with the 6 and come down with the 5 on the G string. Okay, so back into a bend. So it ends up being. So we got a thing in here after we go. We're gonna have 6, 3, 6, and then hammer on pull off quick. That was 3, 6, 3. 5 on the G to the 3 here. So we got 2 pull offs there on the G string, 5, 3, 5, 3. So go to the D5 there. 3, bend that 5. Then we got 6 on the second, 3 over here. So this whole thing was going to be. O, 3, O. Got that again. O, 3, bend the 5. 3, 6 on the second to the 5, and then 3, 5, 5. We're getting to the end of the solo here, so it's like. Okay, so we have like a 3, 5, 5, and then bend, 5, 3, bend, 3 to 3 there, and a 5 here, so it's 3, 3, 5, and that 3 to open again into the riff. Four times this time. Another verse. Right before the change this time, there's only going to be 2 times of that kind of extra one. You don't do the third one. So this would be the change. And then we're going to have the riff just 3 times. We're going to go. Once again, we get to that 1, and we have to do the 3 open after it. We're going back to that thing, another pick scratch. Okay, so that's kind of the second solo there. So we're going to have pick scratch, and then the 5 on the D. 2 bends on that 5 on the G. We're going to go 3, 6, hammer on pull off, 5 to 3. So, and we go down to here, bend again. Same thing again. 3 there, and then 5, 3, bend to 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 6, 6, 5, 3, 5, and a bend, and then 6, 8. Okay, so a little bluesy stuff back and forth with the 8 and the 6. And then we'll have a little 7, 6 to 3, and then we go. So there's a little riff here where it kind of goes. It's a little quicker, so but it has a slight kind of a bend to it. So if you kind of bend down and then pull it off and then go to the D. 3 of those, and then that 3-5 trill. Kind of does it twice that next time. Okay, then the only other real things in the tune is like there's a cool fill that happens twice in one of the later versions. It's like. Okay, so it was just G string, 3, D string, and then A string on the 3rd there. And open on that 5th string and do it again. Let's look at one more thing. Let's look at those leads again. We got... Okay, then the last one.